Hi, I'm Corey McDonald, Quality Control Manager with Harwood Homes. Let's talk about operation and maintenance of your jetted tub. Anytime you're going to operate the jetted tub, make sure you fill the water line 2 to 3 inches above the highest jet before you turn the jets on. Never turn the jets on when the water level is below the jet. That can burn out the motor on the jets. It's important to clean the jets periodically. Whenever you're going to clean the jets, fill the tub with hot water 2 to 3 inches above the jet line, then put in 3 cups of white vinegar and allow the jets to run for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes is done, go ahead and drain the water, then fill the water back up 2 to 3 inches above the jet line and let those jets run for another 10 minutes. That'll help make sure that the jets stay cleaned out. With regular maintenance and following these simple steps, you can keep your jet tub running smoothly and clean for the life of the tub.